guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alexis here and we're back with a vlog. So guys, you know, every time I get some new home decor, I gotta let you guys know. So, you know the roses that like last forever? Well, I think it lasts like a year or two. I got some, but not from the main brand that everybody gets it from. I got it from a new company, Forever Roses. And I'm so excited about these roses, and I wanted to make sure that when I got it, I opened it on camera so you guys can see. So it came in this box. Oh, so excited. I actually got it on sale. I think I paid $100. So it was like $134 because I had a $15 coupon. But then they charged all this weird tax. So it got back up. And it's not just like regular tax, it's like weird tax, like tax that shouldn't be on like a regular purchase. So it added like an extra $20. So I think I paid like $155. But yeah, it's still cheaper than some of the other places. So it comes in this plastic bag. This is how the box looks. Ooh, this is the brand. Let's just take this out. Oh, it's so pretty. This is how it, let me not. I thought it was actually going to be a little bit more dramatic. It's nice, but no, Andrew, come look at it. I just thought it was, I mean, it's nice, but I just thought it would look a little different. No, come around.
That looks fine.
Yeah, but it kind of looks...
Looks what?
I don't know. I just was expecting something else.
Like what?
I don't know.
Oh, I don't know nothing about these things, so...
I don't either, but they always look so nice on Instagram.
Well, that's a picture.
Well, this is how it looks, guys. What y'all think? You guys think it's cute? You guys? Maybe I should have got the other brand.
Those are real roses?
Well, they're like, I don't know. I think it's like wax and something. I don't know, but it's supposed to give it the real effect. Y'all know I always buy my own flowers, but I wanted to just get something to put in the middle of my coffee table. It's cute. I guess I just gotta like get used to it. I like it. Let me not. I just expected it to look different. So here it is. I guess I'm gonna just keep it there on my coffee table. Let me let you guys see how it looks on the coffee table. So it's cute, but I don't know. Maybe I should have. Maybe it's the black box. I don't know. I'm gonna give you guys a better look at them. This is how the box look. It comes with the top. You guys see them? You know what? I think I just needed to look at them a little bit more. I actually do like them. It's just when I first opened the box, I was just expecting like, ah! But it's still cute though, so.
You're expecting like butterflies to fly out?
I don't know. I was so excited for these flowers. I just wanted it to look a certain way. But like, I think I was expecting too much. It's because they're not real. Well, they're not real. So, you know, it's better than them back in the day, you know, artificial flowers with the plastic sticks and the stiff petals. So
We're cheaper.
yeah, but because of the way they looked. Whatever. But yeah, that's my flowers, guys. Hey y'all. Yo, today is a sad day. I had this whole trip planned for Andrew's birthday and now I can't go, even though I booked it. So like, I live in New York, so Governor Cuomo, he has this list where certain places you travel to, you have to quarantine. And like at my job, if you go to those places, they want you to quarantine. And like before, it was just the states that we couldn't travel to, but now there's like level 2 and level 3 countries. So now I was gonna go to Mexico and now it's a level 3 country, so I can't go. Because I mean I could go, but I would have to quarantine for 14 days. And like, I have the vacation hours, but do I really want to waste 14 days of vacation time? Like, no, not at this time of year, you know? So I'm really sad. I really wanted to go to Mexico. I have not been on a plane all year. And I know, you know, it's a lot going on in the world and I'm okay with that. But I thought that things were getting, I thought that I would be able to travel, but now I can't. So, you know, what can I do? You know, I try not to get too upset about not traveling, because imagine if you were like sick and like this is like your last 2 years to live and like the world is happening like this, or maybe, you know, you're older and you wanted to retire and you said that you was going to travel within this time period and COVID happened. So I try to think about like that when I get upset about traveling, because it's people in way worse conditions, you know? So, but I'm sad. But anyway, how are you guys? How you doing? Yo, this weave is so nappy. I cannot wait to take this out. You ever get a weave that's so bad, like when you brush it, it's just like a pool of like hair everywhere? This is it, okay? I'm not even saving this hair. This hair is going in the garbage when I take this out, because it is a hot, nappy mess. A nappy mess. Ugh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Alright, it got a little better, but it's still nappy. It is still a hot mess. This weave is a hot... Oh my goodness, it's a mess. It's a mess. It's a mess. It's a mess. I'm gonna take it out this weekend though. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair next. You know, I was planning all of my hair around this vacation that I thought I was gonna take. You know what? Let me not even say that, because I might still go. Because who knows? Maybe something will change and it'll be some new updates. Positive thinking. You know? Maybe. Look at this floor. Oh my gosh, look at this floor. Okay, guys, so back to home decor. So I feel like my place is finally coming along. Now what I want to do is focus. I want to focus on my bedroom. I don't know if you guys see my previous video, but when I did my closet, I have nowhere to put a lot of my clothes. And I'm trying to like get like a, you know, like a 5-drawer chest. I already have one in my room, but Andrew's, he uses it. And I thought I would be okay with my closet and like some drawers, but it is not enough. So I have to get that. But every time I try to order it, it's back ordered. So I'm just like, I don't want to order it and I'll just wait. So I'm just trying to see when it's back in stock. So once it's in stock, I can get it in a couple of days and boom, boom, boom. That's done. But other than that, in my living room, I want to get rid of those chairs over there. This is the chairs that came with my table that I bought. I want to put like a nice velvet chair with like gold trimming over there. I just don't know what color I want to do yet, because I kind of got like, it's kind of like whites, blacks, golds in here, and like brown, like how my pictures are. See how it's like those colors? That's like the color scheme I'm going for. So I'm not exactly sure what color I want to put over there, but maybe I want to put something a little nice so it pops. Like, look at this chair. Ooh, I want to sit in that. Actually, I don't want people to sit in it, because them chairs, those chairs that I've been looking at, they're all like $300 and up. Like, why is the chair so much? But I know I want to get it, so I'm gonna definitely put one over there. Guys, you want to see, remember when I did my Whole Foods vlog and Andrew got those plants? Look how this basil is looking. Well, let me not say that plants, because the first time we did it, it didn't work out, so we had to re-get plants. We had to get a new set of plants, and now this plant is flourishing. It is getting so big. It is so beautiful, getting all that natural light. Look at that. But Andrew barely even uses that basil. He said, yeah, I'm gonna grow my own basil so I don't have to buy none, but he probably takes like a small piece of it. He don't really be using it like that. And then we finally got the bourbon that we wanted to put in the glass jar. The brand of this bourbon is Baker's. I believe it was $70. So this is the bourbon that he wanted to get. So that's there. And then I got the mirror that I wanted to put up on the wall. That's finally up there. But my room, y'all, if I could show you how crazy my room looks, like it's clothes everywhere, and I'm just like, I don't want it to be like this. I want it to be nice and organized. So I have to get that chest so that I can put some clothes in there, you know, put my perfumes up there so it could give it more of an organized look. So that's going to be my next task. That's probably going to be my task for October, to get my room intact. And then once I get everything intact, I'm going to do my furnished apartment tour. I'm going to show you guys that video, even though I've been showing you guys like bits and pieces of some of the stuff I've been doing, like the flower. Like the main point of this video was an unboxing for this flower. It looks cute. I got some white and brown coasters. That wasn't the plan, but then Andrew didn't like when he got these coasters and it started to like lift a little bit. So he got these other coasters. They kind of have that like marble look to it. I wonder what material this is made out of. Babe, you know what material this coaster is made out of, the white one? It kind of feels like a seashell. But it's cute. I like it. At first I was just like, oh, it's not gonna go with the brown, but I kind of made it work. I made it work. But things is finally starting to come along ahead. I'm so happy because for the holidays, I wanna get some Christmas decorations. I'm gonna do an ugly Christmas sweater party. I have all these plans and all this content that I'm planning for you guys. So you gotta stick with this journey. But if you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So every time I post a new video, you can be the first ones to know about it. I will wait. I'll wait. But really, guys, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Right now, I think I'm at like 930 or something like that. But I gotta get to 1,000 and I gotta get my watch time up. So if you're not a part of this family already, get to it, all right? I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye, guys.